How's it going, Reinventors? How about a house tour for this Christmas? Just kidding. This is more our speed. Welcome to our home. How's it going, Reinventors? I'm Amelia. This is Reinventing You, the channel where you can be inspired to take your own reinventing journey so that you can live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I post twice a week. If you have not subscribed, I invite you to do that. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up before the video is over. This is a home tour of my home for the holidays. I'm not going to linger on too many things at once because there's so many little details, and I'm not showing you everything in my house, mainly because I didn't clean before this video. But I hope that you enjoyed a little something different. I know that we're all busy, but it's just something to kind of take our mind off the everyday ho-hum of the holidays. In my office space, I have a tree. This is a special tree. It is actually a Star Trek tree. Here you can see some of the ornaments in detail. We started collecting this several years ago. Have not added to it this year, but we have fun putting it up, and our cats love to play around the bottom. They love the tree skirt that goes with it. And a lot of these light up. Some of you have to push buttons and they make sound. So it's just a lot of fun. One of my first lit village pieces was this nativity scene. It's probably going to go in the giveaway this year. Oh, and don't forget your cat, your friendly cat on the table who adds a nice touch to any decor. Seriously, on our table we have our Snoopy Christmas tree and Snoopy ornament. And don't forget, the most important thing is all the ingredients for Chex Mix. It wouldn't be Christmas without that. In our dining room, I've set it up so that, oh, there's Clovis again. Yes, he wants to say a few words. Anyway, in our dining room, I have set up my 12 Days of Dickens pieces, which are just little pieces that I enjoy putting up every year. And this way, the cat can't get to them. That's one reason why I put them in here. And at the bottom of all of that, I have my nativity scene from Bethlehem. It's made of olive wood. We actually have two of these scenes. Oh, there's the sign to the 12 Days of Christmas Village. And I'll let you guess what's what day as we tour. I do have them in order, although one time I had them set up and a guest came to my home and said, you know, these are out of order. I can't remember what I had messed up, but I try to sing the song as I put them in here. Here's the olive wood nativity, and there's the reason why everything is in the cabinet. Yes, Clovis can get into everything. In the kitchen, I actually have Dickens Village set up above the cabinets. Actually, this past year, I left it up all year long. In our lake house, I had this set up. Another set, I have a lot of these village pieces, and I left it up like for 10 years, and then I had to take it down when we were doing renovations. But I enjoy looking at the houses all year long. I probably should have gotten up there to dust them, but I didn't do that this year. They'll get packed away after Christmas and getting ready for our move. On the other side of the kitchen, I do put up some of my other decorations, and I have another lit nativity, although a bulb keeps going out in it, and I don't know why. I will keep this lit nativity set if I can get the bulb to work. And on the table, we have our Advent wreath and our Advent devotional book, and this tablecloth was actually embroidered by my grandmother, so it's a special piece. Here we have on the mantle some ornaments that belong to my parents and what I remember growing up. This nativity set was what we put up every year. And I don't know the whole story about these angels, but there was some argument in the family about them, and my mother ended up with them. And this wreath was actually pieced together from a Thanksgiving wreath and then a Christmas wreath, which I didn't really like. Here's our Christmas tree with a very cheap tree skirt because our cats love to play with the Christmas tree skirt. And our poor little angel fell down. It's no longer lit. I can't figure that out. I hope that you've enjoyed this home tour. It's a little bit different way to end the year. And the background you see behind me, my son's Doctor Who tree. Don't tell him I filmed this part. He's not here, so hopefully he won't know about it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested, I have a full scene of my neighbor's yard with all of the lights. I hope you can also see all the things going on in the windows in the front of their house. This house has added on to all the lights since we've been here for like 7 years. It is truly amazing. They must have an awfully big electric bill in January, but it's a lot of fun. Have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, now if you want to drive, just slowly keep driving.
Chris was down there that way.
Okay, thank you.